Scenes नहीं है मैम. There are some cuts. Scenes is when they cut out entire scenes. ताकि ऑडियंस को गलत फहमी ना हो कि scenes काटे जा रहे हैं. There's a certain word that there was an issue, and there is a certain moment that there is an issue. But more than that,
I think usually with every film, the film does go back and forth a couple of times before it's finally passed, and I think that's like usual routine. And I can't understand why for this particular film has been blown out of proportion for no reason.
There are two other women-oriented films. Are you aware of this? Have you seen the promos and
I know only of. I haven't seen Mardani, so I don't know. Mary Com, of course, is going to release. But it's nice. It's nice that the state recognizes these things, and I think it's a great way to sort of encourage films that are socially relevant.
are you looking forward to doing such films in future?
Absolutely, but I mean, I don't think the intention is to do a tax-free film. I don't think we set out to make those kind of films. I think we all sort of look for films that we connect with as an actor. You identify with a character. You look at the larger picture. You want to be part of a film where you want to tell an interesting story. And in the process, if it ends up becoming a biopic, or if it ends up becoming, one of those films where the a particular state feels like it should be tax-free, or you want to promote that kind of a film, then I think that's a great thing.
Have you seen the movie as yet? I mean, have you guys got any reviews for it? For the movie?
I think today's our first screening, and we've not even seen the film ourselves. So it'll be quite interesting to see what we don't even know who's here. So I mean, it'll be interesting to see what couple of our friends have come to see the film.
We're the most lost people at this screening at this point, because we were discovering that in the car. अच्छा कोई आया कौन आया, because we just finished work and got in here. But it'll be nice to get feedback. It'll be the first genuine feedback we get from outside the film's perspective. So it should be interesting.
But I think the reviews that are getting for the promos so far.
Sorry, ma'am.
What kind of reviews are you getting?
Review the reactions. I mean, honestly, the reaction's been really nice. It's been overwhelming to know that people are reacting so positively to a film like Fanny. We always knew that. I think that's why we decided to be part of doing something unique in that sense. And the audience lapping it up, whether it's digitally, whether it's you guys who've spoken about the film so highly, I've recently joined Twitter, the kind of feedback I've got, it shows that our audience is ready. So the feedback has been very, very encouraging, and fingers crossed for the 12th of September.
I think it's largely been, it's looking really fun, it's looking really quirky, it's looking very different. I think these are largely the kind of reactions that are coming, and I think what we didn't expect is the kind of reaction that we've got to Shake Your Buttiya. We thought Fanny Ray was the song that everyone will enjoy, but I think Shake Your Buttiya is what people are really enjoying. In fact, I was listening to radio in the car the other day, and in a span of half an hour, I heard the song like 3 or 4 times. So it's nice.
Hi, this is Shamika. You're watching Bolly Town. Do subscribe.